What is up, y'all? It is, I think it's, okay, so it's Thursday now. I just got off work. It's 12 in the morning. I am hungry. They asked me if I was gonna get food earlier. I was like, no, I'm good. The hunger started to hit me at like 7 p.m. It's 12. We're gonna go grab a bite to eat because I'm hungry. I'm skipping the gym to do this, which is totally fine. It happens. Ew, it looks so ugly. Well, hoping there's a taxi available right now. Let's go check it out. And then we're gonna do a mukbang in the room if I get food because y'all, I'm hungry. Anyways, today's bun looks really good. I know the quality looks horrible. I swear I'm gonna use the camera, but there's one taxi. There's one waiting for me because it knew I needed some fries at 12 in the morning. This is not all for me, okay? But we're back. So to be frank, it was not a very good day for me. Just one of those mentally rough days, but it's okay. We're supposed to get paid later, so that's what's important. I wanted to start off a new vlog just by saying, hey everyone, what's up? I hope you're doing amazing. Okay, but look at the cup. That's so cute. Look at this little aloha theme. Love it. This would be more satisfying if I had nails, but we're getting those on Friday, which will be part of the vlog, obviously. But anyways, y'all, I have a couple things coming up that are going to be in another video, but this one I kind of just wanted to start to hopefully get myself to get out of my slump that I've been in. After work, sometimes I like to go get food. Most thing that's open is McDonald's or 7-Eleven, so we got McDonald's tonight, and then after this I'm going to shower and unwind, obviously. But it was honestly just a really long day, but it's okay, you know, work is work, life is life. We are doing the thing. I feel a little guilty for not going to the gym, but girl, there's always tomorrow, you know? It's okay. Anyways, y'all, we're going to eat. I just got like some McChickens and fries, and then I got some of my friends some food like I usually do. So we're going to eat, sit down, and honestly just unwind. And I feel like it's fun. I like to watch these videos, so I was like, I want to make one, and I got this new little light. I was like, okay, wait, this sounds really fun, so why not? Like, let's just eat together. I really want to do one of these videos where I sit down and just have some girl talk, like, with a fellow girl, and we're like, what do you think about this? What do you think about this? Like, I love watching things like this, and I feel like I have so many opinions, controversial and not controversial, and I'm like, I need to know what other people think about this, you know? The TikToks where they be going like, oh, and like, oh my god. Literally. I can't even fake that, bro. In exciting news for, I think it'll be the video right after this, we are going to go climb Mount Fuji next month. I'm horrified, excited, all the things. I'm starting to get the packing list together, and I'm gonna like try and train up towards it. I'm asking people like, what did you do? What would you not have done? Blah, blah, blah. So I'm excited, and then we're gonna go to Tokyo for like 2 days after. So that'll be like a nice little break from everything. I haven't taken any leave at all since coming here. So that'll be like the 1-year mark of me being here. So it's like the perfect timing. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna get back to you guys tomorrow, probably when, well, later, probably when I'm going to work, and we'll see what I do throughout the weekend. In the next couple days, we're gonna try and get back into a nice little routine now that we're done with Big Map and everything. Anyways, I will see y'all later. Hopefully you enjoyed my little mukbang at 12 a.m. What's up, y'all? It is 2:26. I've got to be at work in like an hour, so a moment for the bun. I feel like this week they just look so good. Anyways, guys, we're gonna work and then go to the gym, and then tomorrow we're going to go probably spend a little bit of the day by ourselves. We finally got paid. It was that horrendous 3-week pay period. Yeah, but anyways, guys, we're gonna head to work, and then nothing crazy, gym, and yeah, we'll just show you guys what I'm doing. So I've decided I really want to work on like my hamstrings and biceps, so we're gonna see what we target tonight to take care of my arms, because I want my arms to look so good, you know what I mean? But anyways, tomorrow the plan is to go get our nails done because it's gonna be Friday, but that's my day off. Like I said, how this was an attempt at getting back into a routine. We did not go to the gym last night. Work? No. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't want to be up right now, but we got our nail appointment soon. I want to get a little glammed up. And then we're gonna go get our nails done and probably come back here and low-key lay down, but just to feel like a baddie for a little bit. I'm too stubborn to take a taxi because it's literally right off base, but holy, I'm burning. And I look disgusting already, and like I'm not feeling the outfit or the makeup, so I'm just in a bad mood, but the nails will help, guys, I swear. Yeah, she a baddie, look at them. So being in Japan during the summer as an emo girly is not necessarily for the weak. This is just from walking home. In other news, we got a hazelnut latte because we deserve it. We're gonna take a long ass shower and then get ready again. Just because I want to feel ready. Because everyone was like, why are you dressed up? I was like, girlie, it's just the weekend. It's just a regular day for me. But anyways, guys, the nails, tell me you are the best girl. Literally love you. I'm so obsessed. We have such great conversations and everything. It's always the same every time. Love it. It's just basic little Frenchies, obviously, with a little almond tip. Love, love, love. I will get back to you guys after I'm less disgusting. Happy Saturday, y'all. We just went to the store and got a couple things we low-key needed but didn't need, and then I picked up a challenge coin from one of my buddies.
The one-piece fit is fitting. We love this. Is my favorite little confidence outfit, except my hair would be down, but it's not.
Then we went home and watched a movie, and we're lazy all day, so yay, productive!
As y'all probably saw, it wasn't a very productive weekend. We went to the store and slept. That's kind of all we did. I'm gonna consider it productive. Oh my god, there's a car. I'm gonna consider it productive though, because I genuinely needed the rest. Like, I'm telling you, I was so tired, but it's okay, we're back to it. Now it's Monday because it's 12 in the morning, so I just worked my first shift on a Sunday. I do have a day off for my birthday day off that I'm using now, or later in the week, so I'll get a 3-day weekend later. So let's just try to have a good week, and we're going to the gym now.
Someone was behind me and I didn't want to be weird, but here's me trying to build up the stamina. It's like 1 in the morning. I wasn't there too long. I'm just trying to build up my stamina for Mount Fuji because I'm horrified. But anyways, we're gonna go to bed now, shower and everything, and then we'll get back to y'all later. Authentic how I look this morning. It's 12 o'clock. It's almost 1. I'm gonna clean up the room a little bit so it's extra clean tonight when I come home and shower after the gym. All we're doing today is work and the gym. That's all it is gonna be this week, guys. We're about to go to work because I have a job. Anyways, after that, we're going to the gym right now. Like I said, just building up my stamina. Is probably gonna hit a little bit of weights and then do the Stairmaster for a while and then come home and sleep. I'm probably not doing anything until I think Thursday, my day off. I'm planning on dyeing my hair because I don't care what y'all say. It looks black. It's brown. Okay, it's brown. And I need it to be pitch black.
Whose baby is this? Oh my god.
How do people look attractive while working out? Morning, baddies. It is Tuesday. Oh my god, this week is going by so slow. Anyways, tomorrow is my last day of work, so we're happy about that. I think I want to go to the store and make like a steak dinner for us on like Thursday or Friday. I gotta get ready in a little bit. I have a little brief to go to for the Mount Fuji trip. Can't wait. And then I'm gonna go to work right after that. Gym. Same old, same old. This was the brief before I headed into work, and y'all, I am horrified because, like, no, I don't think I'm gonna survive. We have finished our gym session. It is now Wednesday, so today is our last day of work for the week. Super excited. We have a going away to go to on Friday, which I'm actually excited for, and then Thursday we'll see if I do some cooking or something. But yeah, I didn't record in the gym because there was a lot of people and I was like, it's our last working day of the week. Okay.
We went and lifted a little bit at the gym, and then now we are running. I just ran 1 mile, and then now we're gonna run a little bit of the PFT trail and call it a night. I'm not to care about anything. It's how I look while running and working out. I don't know how people don't sweat, but
it's 2 in the morning. This is post-run, post-shower. Feeling very great after work week. I take a very nice everything shower, and so I'm gonna just put some laundry away and then hang out and relax till I knock out. Good morning. I don't know the last time I've been up this early after being on night crew, but I am feeling very good. And I'm like really wanting to cook today, so I'm gonna go buy some groceries just so it's like done and out of the way. I've never filmed on my bed, so I don't even know if you can see me, so if I have to redo this. Next step of the day, I just cleaned up the room. It smells great, everything is wiped. We need to have our hair darker. It is getting so brown and I hate it, so I need the emo girly to be alive in me, so we're gonna dye her hair. I watched that back and I kind of love the quality, but can we talk about all my drinks? This is a lemonade I got. This is all water. Those 3 jugs are water. I love water. If you're a girl with black hair who used to bleach it or like brown hair, you understand it because everybody's like, no, your hair is black. It's not right now. It is literally not. Okay, y'all, let's try and do this before my roommate comes home. Oh. Was anyone else in the worst spot of their life when this song came out? Because I feel like that was just a universal girl experience. Okay, this is what baddies really look like. 90% of the time, right? This is what we're looking like, not too bad. I feel like this is a pretty good, successful day off. I don't mind it. Real baddies could probably tell that it is definitely much darker, and we love it. We love her. Obviously, I can't do any crazy hairstyles being in the military, but it's fine. I feel so much better now that I have my black hair back again. I lied. I think I'm gonna pass out soon, so I'm probably gonna cook tomorrow, but it's fine. It's meal prep anyway, so it's not like I'm gonna eat all today. So I'll show y'all what I cook later tomorrow. It's literally the same old, same old. They didn't have any chicken. I really wanted chicken and they had no chicken. I was very sad about it. I feel like it was a really good day. But anyways, we still have 2 more days, so that's great. I hope y'all are enjoying this. I feel like this is a really good reset for me. I have not done anything productive lately. I'm usually just so sleepy. So yeah, but I'll probably get back to y'all tomorrow if anything. So I'll see y'all later. Good morning, y'all. It is like 7 o'clock. I went to bed at a normal time last night at like 11. Okay, productive queen. But everybody's heading to work, so let's go start to cook so that we can have dinner ready for later. And that's probably all we're gonna do for now. But also we gotta make our morning latte. They had no chicken, so we're going with the basic. I really wanted to make this chicken potato thing I saw, but it's okay. We're gonna go with the basics. Just so he has food later after work, and obviously for me for dinner. So then we'll just put the leftovers in here. And then tonight I have a going away for my captain, and then that's about it. We're gonna have a little bit of a relaxed day, but we're gonna do stuff. I don't know where I put my other glasses, so I look so busted. I look like I'm 17 again. This is exactly what I look like at 17. I'm almost done cooking. We're just gonna put all of this away later. Anyways, like, I feel like just the extra day off was all I really needed. I've been so like stressed lately, but I think it's just because I was asleep. It's not even work, I just don't even sleep. I can't make this aesthetically pleasing because of my location and everything, but I feel like this is gonna be a nice little thing to come home to, so yeah. Hopefully he likes it. If not, that's literally not my fault. Cooking in the barracks, so it wasn't that aesthetically pleasing, but it's all right, y'all. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my little cooking session. It was pretty fun. And with that, I am going to end the video right there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me getting out of my little slump and back into a routine. I'm just trying to build myself back up. I've been going through some hectic things lately, but hey, who hasn't? Anyways, it's just a little Friday night. We're going to hang out, and I've got that going away, like I said. And then hopefully the next video is me going to Mount Fuji, and you guys are gonna see me like not do very well. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, whatever time it is for y'all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment out anything that I should do below. I'll see you guys in the next one.